Did you know that there's DNA in every cell of a wood product? Today, GTTN is speaking with Dr. Celine Blanc-Jolivet. She is a researcher with Thünen Institute in Hamburg, and her work focuses on wood DNA analysis. This is Celine's office, where she's collecting reference data for timber tracking.
I'm working on the setting up of reference data. So we use DNA analysis and genotypes to be able to trace the origin of timber. The advantage is that with DNA we can do a lot of things. We can first check for the species identity. Okay, there are other methods like wood anatomy. They can go up to the genus and even the species, but in some cases they can't tell which species it is. And the high advantage of the DNA analysis is that we can look at the origin.
That's the computer program Celine is working with. It looks quite complex, so I wonder, why not just rely on certification?
The advantage of DNA analysis in comparison with certificates and certification is that you cannot falsify DNA in contrast to certification systems. These are reference data from an African species called Sipo, and we can clearly see here that we have two different groups, one in West Africa and one in Central Africa. This we can distinguish extremely well with the genetic markers. And if you look at the Central Africa, you can even distinguish Cameroon from the other countries.
Finally, I want to know, who's asking for these timber tracking services?
We have different persons that ask for DNA tests on timber. For example, the governmental institutions, they want to check timber origin in the frame of the UTR regulation. But we also have private companies. They send us samples from timber because they want to test that their products are coming from the right place.